going, oh. I'm accusing Victoria of having her finger in front of the phone. Down. I changed her back. So I want you to get her a little cot like this for the office, and we need to teach her to stay in there, and I do not want that guy, whoever that was wrestling around with her, having any interaction with this little dog. Alright, so we're just going to go up and back. Hit it. Now my little foot signal down. Oh, she's a good girl. She's a good girl. Hit it. I'm going to turn her with that pager heel.
Hey, that's it.
Can do my pager in my foot down. So remember, Shane, we're not trying to phase the pager out. That's going to give you a commonality no matter where this dog is. When you guys go down, you know, Costa Rica, wherever it is, you're going to take this with you. In it. In place. Down. All right, Shane, more updates soon.